Hello everyone and welcome back in lesson number 2. In the previous video we learned the removing of unused application, which was the first step of this video. If you haven't watched that yet, so do it right now. Click on the watch previous videos to watch that. In this video we will be working on stop unneeded program for running a startup. One of the biggest problems that the most users don't even realize they have is they are running too many programs when their computer starts up. It's not their fault. Many times the tools they use on a regular basis add programs to their startup sequence without ever asking the user. These programs pile up and eventually cause the computer to begin crawling along, barely able to perform the simplest of tasks. Fortunately, there is a simple way of fixing this, so let's start this. Click on Start and type Run in search box. In the search box result, click on Run to open up the Its dialog box. Or simply type Windows sign +R to open up Run dialog box. When it opens, type in msconfig and click OK. It will open the system configuration utility. Click on the Startup tab along the top. Do not change anything on any of other tabs. On the Startup tab, you will find a list of applications that run at startup along with the checkboxes along the left hand side. Do not start unchecking everything on the list. There are programs on this list that Windows requires to run correctly. Choose these. You can uncheck anything that has a location of startup, which is the user defines startup folder. You can also remove anything with a name of that you can recognize as a program that was previously installed or something that you don't need to run when your computer starts up. For example, Wondershare Studio or Adobe Reader and Acrobat Manager. And anything with the word tray in it. You may also want to refer to the list of Windows applications names, what they mean. Along with Paul Collin startup application list located at www.sysinfo.org startuplist.php. In this site you will be able to find the all startup applications list with their own description that you can know what their means are. When you are finished unchecking the program that you don't want to run at a startup, click OK. You may be prompted to restart your computer. Select No or Restart Later. Please note that if you have made any changes to the startup configuration, you will be notified of these changes when you do finally restart your computer. You will also be given the option to run the system configuration utility again. You should this line when you are given the option to keep these or any other program from placing them in the startup folder without you knowing. I recommend you to download the ACE utility startup guard program. It is a free tool which you can download at www.acelogics.com freeware.html. The program will warn you whenever an application tries to set up something to run when your computer starts up. At this point, you should have most of your speed back, but we are not stopping here. We are going to get your computer performance back to what it was before when you first brought to your home. And also, you can contact us if something happens to your computer or something, a kind of error occurs. So, goodbye. See you in the next lesson.